Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today we are going to make upma. To make this recipe, the ingredients that we require are I have taken 1 bowl of Sooji, that is semolina, little bit of peanuts. Here I have chopped 1 green chilli, 1 big onion, I have chopped it finely. Here I have taken few curry patta leaves, 8 to 10 curry patta leaves, little bit of black mustard seed. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of oil to prepare this recipe, salt as per our taste, and 1 mug of water. So now let's get started. The first step, friends, we will heat 1 tablespoon of oil and we will put the mustard seeds. Be careful when you're adding the curry patta because I have washed the curry patta and there'll be water into it. As you can see, it will splatter water. Now I'll add the chopped onion and the chopped chillies. I'll saute it upon a medium flame. Just saute it till the rawness of the onion goes away. Now friends, as you can see, our onions are slightly cooked. So I'm going to add the Sooji to this recipe. This is approximately 100 grams of Sooji. And now increase the flame and roast the Sooji for 2 minutes. Now, as you can see, our semolina is roasted well. Do not get burnt it, friends. Now this is the time when we will add the water to this recipe. Reduce the flame and add water. 1 cup water. And also salt as per our taste. And now, as you can see, it has absorbed the water. This is the time, friends. Remember in the beginning I told you we are going to use 2 tablespoons of oil, but now I have only used 1 tablespoon of oil, so another remaining 1 tablespoon of oil I will put it now. And I will put the peanuts also. Sorry. And now I will mix this and cook for another 2 minutes. So friends, here is our upma ready. You can see it is nice and grainy. It's not sticky. Now I will transfer it to the serving bowl. As you can see, friends, the upma is nice and grainy, and trust me, it tastes very, very delicious. You can also add lots of vegetables to this upma, but in this simple upma I have only added onion and peanuts. Do try this recipe at home, and I'm sure you're going to love this. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.